Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft, and this is Sadhana here. Let's see what we are going to make today. Thank you for being with me. Be tuned till the end. Thank you so much. Friends, for this Baingan Bharta recipe, we'll just see the ingredients. I have taken two large chopped tomatoes, ripe one, and two onions, medium size, finely chopped. I have taken some coriander, washed and chopped, and some green chilies, which is chopped, about 3 green chilies. You can take it according to your spice because we are also going to use some chilli powder, and some chopped garlic, chopped ginger. I have taken some jeera powder here, red chilli powder, salt, haldi, oil, and I have taken 2 large baingan, which is about 550 grams, and a few garlic cloves to put inside the baingan. I'll show you how to do that. And I have taken also some Dhaniya powder. Okay, now I'll show you. Now when you select your baingan, make sure there's no worms in that, like you just see all these things, and take. We are going to slit it randomly in different places, and we will insert the garlic inside this. See, we have stuffed the garlic here in different random places. This is optional. If you want to do it, you can do it, but then it gives a very good flavor. I have done for both the brinjals. Now I'm going to take a little bit oil and just coat it on this. Okay, because we are going to roast this on the direct fire. So I'm just giving a little bit of coat of oil to it. Now we'll go to the stove. And I'm just going to keep it like this. Okay, now we'll be turning and roasting this. Okay, and this is the flavor that what we are going to get in bharta is very important while roasting it like this. So what I'll do is I'll roast this and the other brinjal, and I will get back to the dish. Getting roasted, we'll roast everywhere, even this corners has to get roasted. So we'll do it like this slowly. We just don't leave it on the fire directly like that. We have to keep turning it. It took about 8 to 10 minutes. So you have to just check like this whether it's completely cooked with a knife or a spoon. Now what we'll do, we'll put off the gas and we are going to remove this. See, this is how. Now this too is done. Now you're in a hurry to peel it. You can also put it in water like this. But in this, your burnt flavor will become slightly lesser, not much. You can peel it here, or you will wait down for this to cool down completely. Then we will peel the whole thing. Okay. Just wanted to show you how to do the peeling if you are new to this recipe. This is how you peel it. Okay, and just give it a gentle wash. Okay, yeah. Now we'll make the masala. The kadai is hot. I'm taking about 3 tablespoons of oil. We need a little more oil for bharta. We'll wait for the oil to get a little hot. And also bharta is made in different style in north and south and all that. So this is how they make in north, in few parts of north, not everywhere. I'm just going to add a few garlic now. I'm going to add ginger. I'm going to add green chili. Green chili is optional, but then it gives a very good flavor. If your spice levels are really good, you can add, or you can add only the red chili. So you can also use a regular red chili or Kashmiri red chili, which will give you a beautiful color. Now this garlic and ginger will give very good flavor in the oil. We're going to add some onion. Don't cut the onions long. For this particular sabji, it should be cut fine and small. And we don't have to roast it too much. At this point, it's slightly transparent. I'm going to add the tomato. After adding the tomatoes, I'm going to add the salt, so it will soften the onion and the tomato faster. And I'm going to add some haldi. I'm going to add dhaniya, about a spoon. And I'm going to add some chilli powder. Yeah, I'm giving it a nice mix. I'm going to close the lid and leave it on medium flame for about 1 minute. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you the brinjal after cleaning how it is. See, this is how you have to chop them. And before chopping, what we are going to do is, we are just going to check it. Because generally these brinjals have worms. This is a garlic. You see, just check it. Okay, this is clean. So we are going to just chop it. Roughly we'll give it a chop. Okay, and this part you like, you can add it to the masala or you can also throw it. It's about a minute. So at this point you can check your salt and add her as your taste. So the brinjal is ready. I've also put my hand and smashed a little bit, because up till you put your hand in Indian food, they say the flavor doesn't come. So just kidding. This is, I like this, but for the show today I'm not using it. But if you like, you can add. At this point I'm using about a spoon of roasted jeera powder, homemade. Now we have given it a good mix. What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to add the coriander. I'm going to close the lid for another half a minute for all the flavor to come into the brinjal, or a minute. After adding the coriander, I just kept it closed for a minute, so all the flavor and the masala will go into the brinjal. Okay, now it's completely done. You can have this with hot rotis. Please try this recipe and tell me how it is.
I'm garnishing with little coriander here. If you like my recipes, please share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.